Hello guys, and welcome back to day 14 of my journey to get sub 10. So yesterday I did a 34.30 second solve, and today hopefully I can go faster. So yeah, let's just get in the scramble. Where am I? Okay, let's have a look. That's nice. So I can put that in, do that, put that in, and then fix it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pick that up. Put that in. Put that in. 2. Great cross. Now I'm panicking on this. Where my piece is at? I think that used to go here. Yep. The piece is under the camera, not just randomly. Where's my piece? Okay. Finally happened. I messed up my F2L, not my F2L, my OL. And now I get like a minute solve. I'm reading off the steps again, can I? No, it's that. Oh, I'm just fluffing it now. Now I'm panicking. There's something I can do. Nice. Didn't even like do that with the U moves. 1 minute 18.32. That's actually rubbish. Plus 44 from yesterday because I messed up my PL and then my OL. So I basically did the first 2 layers 3 times in this hole. The white cross was so quick, but the rest of it was so bad. So it happens. First time in 15 days, but you know. So yeah, like and subscribe so I don't get over a minute solve ever again. Bye guys.